Curb appeal plays a major role in the overall beauty, value, and first impression of your home, especially in a city as architecturally diverse as Baltimore. From historic row houses in Federal Hill and Fells Point to modern suburban homes in Canton and Roland Park, homeowners are constantly looking for ways to elevate their property's exterior. One of the most effective, and surprisingly transformative, upgrades is installing modern window designs. New windows don't just improve energy efficiency, they redefine your home's style, brighten its appearance, and contribute significantly to curb appeal. Here's how modern window designs are enhancing the look and feel of Baltimore homes. Sleek, clean lines create a contemporary look. Modern window designs emphasize simplicity, symmetry, and clean lines, features that complement both traditional and contemporary Baltimore architecture. Whether your home has brick, vinyl siding, or historic stonework, streamlined window frames instantly refresh its appearance. Modern design elements include slimmer frames for a sleek, refined look, minimalist grid patterns, large panes that highlight architectural details, black frames for bold, modern contrast. These updates help older Baltimore homes feel rejuvenated while giving newer homes a polished, sophisticated style. Larger windows bring more natural light and visual warmth. Baltimore's climate offers a mix of sunny, mild days and overcast winters. Larger, modern windows brighten your home year-round, creating a warm and inviting appearance from the outside. Homes with expansive windows appear more open and spacious, more welcoming to guests. Brighter and more well-maintained, increasing natural light also enhances interior visibility from the street, giving your home a more vibrant, lived-in charm. Custom shapes add architectural interest. Baltimore's neighborhoods feature a blend of classic and contemporary designs, and modern window styles can complement both. Custom-shaped windows, such as arches, geometric shapes, or large picture windows, make a property stand out while aligning with its architectural character. Popular custom options include arched windows for historic row houses, floor-to-ceiling panes for modern builds, circular or angled windows for accent areas, bay and bow windows that add dimension. These unique shapes elevate your home's exterior appearance and showcase your personal style. Updated frames and colors improve aesthetic appeal. Modern windows come in a variety of frame colors and finishes, allowing Baltimore homeowners to match or enhance their existing exterior design. This flexibility makes it easy to create a cohesive and appealing look. Popular frame colors include classic white for a clean, timeless appearance, black or dark bronze for a modern, edgy contrast, earth tones for subtle, natural harmony, wood look finishes for warmth and tradition. Whether you want your windows to blend in or stand out, modern color choices give you full control over your home's aesthetic. Better window symmetry brings balance to the exterior. Many older Baltimore homes were built with mismatched or outdated windows that have shifted over time. Replacing them with modern, symmetrical designs dramatically improves visual balance. Benefits of window symmetry include a more polished, cohesive exterior, improved proportion and architectural flow, enhanced home value and buyer appeal. Balanced window design is one of the easiest ways to elevate curb appeal without altering your home's structure. Energy-efficient features boost market value while curb appeal is largely visual. Modern window technology adds practical value that enhances your home's desirability. Buyers in Baltimore increasingly look for homes with low E-glass double or triple pane insulation, improved weather sealing, Energy Star certification. These features reduce utility costs and improve indoor comfort, key selling points in Maryland's unpredictable weather. A home that looks beautiful and performs well stands out in Baltimore's competitive real estate market. Transform your Baltimore home with modern windows. Modern window designs offer the perfect blend of style, functionality, and long-term value. By refreshing your home's appearance with sleek lines, bold frames, custom shapes, and larger panes, you can dramatically improve curb appeal and create a more welcoming, visually striking exterior. For Baltimore homeowners ready to revitalize their property, upgrading to modern window designs is an investment that pays off in beauty, comfort, and increased home value. If you're seeking a simple yet transformative way to elevate your home's exterior, new windows may be the perfect solution.